Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to log into the Nedbank Money app. So in order to do this, you first have to download and install the Nedbank mobile application in your device, and then you just have to tap on it in order to launch it. The interface of the home page of Nedbank Money will look something like this. Here, as we want to log in into our account, you will have to tap on the login tab in the bottom. Then you will be redirected on this login page where you need to provide your SAID number. So in this section, you need to type your SAID, and after that you just have to tap on I accept the Nedbank ID terms and conditions. After that, you just have to tap on the next button in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to follow further on-screen instructions, like you need to provide your password in order to log in into your Nedbank Money app. Now, for any reason, if you don't remember your SAID number, then you will have to tap on this tab which says I don't have an SAID number. Then you need to provide your passport number here and select your country and your region of issue. After that, you need to press next. Then on the next page, you will have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to access your SAID number. Now once you have your SAID number, you will have to just add it over here, and after providing your password on the next page, you will be able to easily log in into your Nedbank Money app. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.